Hello, welcome back. New words. Watching TV. His kite. Breaking his kite. Breaking her bicycle. A spider. Running. A flower running. Short sentences. He is watching TV. Tom is breaking his kite. Tom is breaking her bicycle. Uh-oh. Goodbye, Tom. She sees a spider. Ah. She sees a flower running. Goodbye. He is running. Long sentences. Tom feels happy because he is watching TV. Ben feels sad because Tom is breaking his kite. Kim feels angry because Tom is breaking her bicycle. Ugh. Pam feels scared because she sees a spider. Pam feels surprised because she sees a flower running. Gus feels tired because he is running. The end. Good job. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Dun 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 dun. Do do do. Do do do. Wah ha ha ha. Goodbye.